Hello, my name is Ali Shahzad, and in this video I'll be showing you a quick review about the Python software. Now, Python is a programming language founded in, I think that I'll search it down in this video, but I need to finish the intro. Now, Python is a core and even an essential programming language for making smaller projects or just programming to make specific applications which are small and lightweight, or even more lightweight than a floppy disk, like running smaller commands and still running the commands in Python. But over time, when you grow up, you will be able to start your own large application project in Python. We're done with the intro, then we'll go to this. I lost my Python's release date in my video. I need to search for it, which was, when was Python founded? 1991 and 20 February 1991. This is how Python formed and founded. And this is the most important thing you need to remember before you commit on to this video. Okay, I'll add it to my video engineering software, and that's all. Then you should finish all you need to do from this video onto your lessons. Okay, we're done with the intro, then we'll go to this. 1. Learn the language. 1. Open up your web browser, then type in how to learn Python on the main homepage, whether it's Google or your main browser's homepage. I'll open up a web browser, then I will copy and paste this one. You can see the quotes, they are not highlighted. That's why I highlight these sentences, and that's it, without the quotes. Copy, click on copy, then go to a browser, then click on the search bar, then click on right click and click on paste. Click enter. Scroll down. If you cannot find this, then I would copy this. Right click on this link or copy. If you know the URL, then you can type it manually. But I know that you can't, that's why I'll right click and paste it, then I'll click on enter. Then I'll click on get started. Continue. Exiting school that's relevant for our IT class. Continue. Learning specific subjects. Continue. Continue. Computer science and programming, that's most relevant for our lessons like IT. Continue. I'll select beginner because you are not yet intermediate, that's still learning language, that's all. Click on that. Continue. Continue. Click 50 minutes because I think that you work in this length. Continue. Or you work even at 10 or 5 minutes or 20 minutes, how much is the lesson and how is the clarity of your lesson, depending on that. But I'll choose 50 minutes for this video as an example of how you work and how the clarity of your education, like your IT class, works. Continue. I'll click morning routine because that is how my IT class start. Continue, 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 continue. Then you will sign in with your email. You will sign in with your school account while on the current legacy sign method, even if it's the latest. Even if latest, the school still requires all students to make sure that they sign in with the old legacy method of an email sign-in method, unless your school allows Google accounts. I'll pause this video, then I'll show you the next step if your child has done this and the child's teacher is guiding the child through the first exploration about use of Python, learning of Python on this website. I'll be back when your child fully understands the all of the important bits. Okay, I'm back now, but I've quickly resumed it because I needed to make sure that your child, your pupil, should continue on this. Then number 2, install the language. I will show you in this video about installing it. I was using the VM for this, or would you do it on a host PC? Even if you have already installed, you should do this process to show the illustrate method about learning Python. Now I'll open up my virtual machine software. I'm trying to find it. I should find it. There we go. I'll find my virtual machine, virtual PC. Then I'll start my virtual machine. Then I'll show you the process of installing it. My virtual machine is resumed. Now we need to download Python first. We need to first search Python download. Click on this link. Then you download the latest one for your host PC or the install manager. But as I'm on Windows Vista, it requires an old version. But using Windows Vista is in my private opinion, that's why. You should not force me to upgrade. All releases. I'll go to my releases. Then I will download the 2.7.1. Then I download the Windows x86 MSI installer. Follow this, even if it's considered an older version, follow this to install the latest one. But you should not follow this. You should directly download the standalone installer from the main homepage of your website. I've already downloaded this. I'll place it on my virtual machine's desktop. When it copied, go in and double click to run. Open up my Microsoft Word document, go to my document, or find Python command. Now this is the while loop, but we're not going to be doing this because this is this is at the end of our video. Okay, I'll copy this command, copy, and now we'll start programs 2.7 ideally Python GUI. Then I'll go to File, New Window, or side of window side to side, because that is how important. Control V to paste, then click run, one minus F5, look at OK to save, type in Apple. My favorite is Apple. Now this is the fruit. I can't remember which code we used to which favorite fruit and even vegetable is ours. I cannot remember which command. I have to ask to my teacher about that. But before that, this command is okay. But if I found that command, if I copied and pasted it and I edited this document, then it should work. Then I will be copying the name, copy the name, copy, then I'll go to File, New Window again, then I'll copy until didn't want to click on it because that's one. Okay, let's open Ali Shahzad. We started the command. Then we'll do a while loop test. We'll do File, New Window, new window, then I'll copy the command, run, one module F5, then I'll type in now this one's forever. Now this is currently looping it. Now this remains true until the data and the input remains false or changes to false. And that is especially important to remember because you're running this command and that is running forever. Even if you're growing up, this one's forever. I discussed this in my previous video about how to use the software. Now, if you want to stop this, click on X, this one. The program is still running. You want to kill it, click on K to kill the code or the data it is currently running forever on. You can see it freezes and it's frozen, not moving or even running on it. Click on OK. Then I'll close this window. Then I will think that I will click on it. Then that is how to use the language. Thank you for watching this video, and this video will help you. Feel free to post them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for joining your time.